Hello guys, let's discuss about what is list. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. A list is a versatile and widely used collection data type in Python. It is stored in a ordered collection of elements where each element can be any data type and duplicates are allowed. Lists are mutable, which means you can modify them by adding, removing or changing elements. Let's see some examples on it. A equal to 10, 20 and 30. This is the format of list. Syntax: we if we want to print list, print a. List name is a, so save it and run it. It shows the result 10, 20 and 30. If you want to see it can be consist of duplicate values. Let's take 10 again and 20 again. See it, save. Here it allows duplicate values, right? And we want to check the length of the list. Length function is used to find the length of a list. See, 1 2 3 4 5. We want to check the index of length, index of the list. Index starts from 0 and 10 is 0, 20 is 1 and 30 is 2, 10 is 4 and 10 is 3 and 20 is 4. And len of print a of one second, print a of 0. It gives the result 10 because we have taken 0, right? Yeah, 10 is the value. And we want to see index of index 2, it gives 30, right? See here, result is 30. This is the format of list. If you want to check what is the type of list, print type of a. See here, what kind of type is this? Is a list. Okay, we can also use to we can create by using list function. A equal to b equal to list of 30 comma 40 comma 50, and also it contains any kind of data types. It may be strings. Take Python and take floating point. Okay, let's print this. Print b. Let's see result. Okay, list at most one argument got 5. Print b list. Okay, we need to take in bracket. See list values 30, 40, 50 and Python, and it's floating values. Thank you.